Hello and welcome to Kong's Dev Lab. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install VS Code in your computer. So to get started, first in your browser, you type download VS Code. You type download VS Code. Once you search, then you look for the first result, which is going to pop up from code.visualstudio.com. So you can click on that. And now the VS Code website opens. Here you're going to see download Visual Studio Code, and you're going to see for various different platforms. If you're using a Mac, you're using Linux, or using Windows. Since we are using Windows, I'm going to download for Windows right here. So once you click on that, then you're going to see the download restart. So you have to wait for a few seconds for the download to complete, depending on your internet speed. Okay, so once the download is complete, you see here it says completed, so you can simply click on this folder icon right here to go to the downloads folder. So once you're in the downloads folder, you're going to see the VS Code setup here. So to install the VS Code, you just need to double click on that download. You double click, then you wait for it to open. So it is going to show the VS Code setup menu. So you have to accept the agreements. I accept the agreements. You click on next. Then you can choose to create a desktop icon. Click on next. Then ready to install. So you can just click install, and then the installation process is going to start. So you need to wait for a few seconds for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is complete, here you're going to see this complete the Visual Studio setup wizard, and it's going to show you an option to launch Visual Studio Code. So you can just click on finish, and then there you have Visual Studio Code installed. To check, you can just close your browser, and then you come here. You're going to see the Visual Studio Code shortcut here, since you selected it while installing. If you don't see the Visual Studio Code shortcut, you can still just click from the start menu, and here you type Visual Studio Code, and you're going to see the Visual Studio Code as well in the start menu. To open it, you can just open it from here if you click here. So as you can see, Visual Studio Code is now open, so you can now use Visual Studio Code. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to learn how you can use Visual Studio Code to write JavaScript code, the link will be in the description below. Thank you.